Madres Chica. Tony Pangilinan shared that keeping their faith at the center of their relationship has helped straighten her relationship to Bill Mariano. Looking back, he also acknowledged how they have grown from the jealousy and misunderstandings they experienced when they were younger. Tony Pangilinan says, wala pa kaming major away talaga. I guess ang mga advice ko lang is you center Christ in your life talaga and nothing will go wrong when crisis in your relationship. Tested ka na by faith, by time, and nakita ko kung paano nag-work si Lord sa buhay namin before. Meron sobra, tumodo-todo tayo nun. We were super immature during the time. We check on each other's phones, magagalit ako. Pero syempre kailangan mong intindihin kasi trabaho yun. Tsaka bata pa ako nun. Ngayon iba na.